Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to my crazy big black family, guys. Happy Thursday morning, and it is about 6:55 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on Thursday morning, guys. Welcome to my channel, my crazy big black family on YouTube, guys. And if you're new on this video and you just seen this video in this family, please get subscribed. We would greatly appreciate it. I am doing an early morning vlog, guys. Today is my last day off. I got to go back to work today. I've had a very trying last couple of days, if you will. And, you know, on my days off, like always, which is supposed to be a relaxing time and a time that I can chill and, enjoy my time off, I haven't been able to do that because it's been very strenuous, very stressful. Um, as a big family, if you are new on this channel, we have a very big family. Our household consists of 12 members in total. If you if you add my daughter's fiance, but it's 11 people, and we have our ups, we have our downs, have our struggles, we have our strives. But through it all, we try to maintain and walk with our head up high, or still get through the day. Sometimes, as a mom, that's hard to do. Um, Sometimes it's even more trying and stressful to try to maintain everything because you try your best to get it to work right, or you try your best to make everything right, or at least cordial as a mom, as a parent, as a wife. But then there's always something in the background that may prevent that. So I'm doing this video today for those people who have had a trying day, or who, may be dealing with a testy week, or, this week was just testy. I just, what I'm doing is just trying to hold on to my faith, keep believing, in the grace of God, that I can have the strength to get through it. And believe in the bond of love and family that I have, that we can get through it, guys. Like I said, and that's basically, without getting in heavy detail, because some things, I don't need to get in heavy detail, but like I said, it's just one of those weeks where it's just been nonstop ups and downs, if you will, and back to work today, and I'm just really, asking God to give me the strength to just get through this day. I work for the rest of the week. I gotta work Saturday. I gotta work Friday, and I need my strength because I gotta work 3 to 11:30 on Friday and Saturday. So that's gonna be testing. I gotta work 8.5 hours 2 nights in a row. Um, I know some people might see that and be like, "Yeah, but that's not really nothing." That's something when you already work hard at home. You're constantly trying to figure out innovative ways to grow your business. You're constantly studying up on your business. You're constantly thinking of things to do for your business. You're constantly thinking of, what can you do to continue to be a great mom or a better mom. You're constantly thinking, what bills have to be paid, and that you have to pay them. All these things are constantly on your mind, but you got to maintain and hold it all together and still do what you do. Um, that again gets hard, but like I said, through the grace of God, I find solace in, my cleaning. I find solace in, you know, watching old movies, or old TV shows, stuff that's comforting. Because when I tell you, I literally had the most trying week this week. and hopefully, like they say, things can only get better, because I don't think it can get any worse. You know, it's just so stressful and trying to get through each and every day without, losing your composure, or just literally putting your hands up, literally, just like, I can't do this. But you know what? I've never been that person to put my hands up. I've never been that person to throw in the towel, per se. So I'm just going to stand up. I'm going to be strong. I'm going to be headstrong. I'm going to be mind strong. I'm going to be heart strong. And I'm just going to just go forward and push. That's all I can do. Because I can't let life in its curves break me. I can't. I won't. If I'm down, I'm gonna have to build my strength to get back up, to get things in order, to get myself in order. Um, Not even in order, because I don't want to use that. I'm not even in order. Let's say to get myself in line, to get myself in on the right track. That's what the words I'll use. On the right track. I like to stay on the straight track. I don't like to have to fall by the wayside and keep pressing the reset over and over again and things like that.
Sorry.
So, that's basically what I'm going to try to, you know, do for the next couple of upcoming days of this week. Yeah, get your lotion.
To like twist it and put it in the bag. The bag.
And need a ponytail. So that's what we're doing today, guys. We're just gonna well, I'm doing that. I'm just gonna try to take it slow, enjoy my next couple of days.
Wrap the book.
Yeah.
Thank you.
That I have at work, and just try to maintain, good mind, good health, good body, and keep my head above the water, no matter what the scenario that's thrown at me, because a lot of times it becomes, especially when you have a big family, it becomes really hard to not, be consumed by the curves and the trials and tribulations that tend to be thrown to you in life, and it becomes hard to not to fall victim to them. So what I'm gonna do is try to do that today. I'm gonna just try to just keep my head up no matter what. Try to remain calm, peaceful, and just stress free. You know, and just try to get through the day, guys. That's hard, but I'm gonna have to do it, because, like I said, with the grace of God and His strength, I'm gonna have to ask Him to push me through and get me through it. Turn your Doing my coffee. I'm gonna make some breakfast. My daughter's getting out for school, and I'm just gonna do what I gotta do, and try not to, like I said, let the little things in life, which it ain't really little, because it's annoying. Anything that gets in your mind or stays on your brain is annoying, and that's not a little thing. But it's a little thing compared to which so many more severe things could be happening. But I'm gonna try to just not even, fall for the okey doke. I'm gonna try to keep myself just like really headstrong today, guys, if that makes sense, and just get on the straight and narrow and try to get back, minus the stress, minus the BS, minus the 1 second, guys, minus the things weighing on my mind. I gotta still do what I gotta do. I still gotta push through, no matter what the scenario is, no matter what kind of day I'm having, and still make it happen. Alisa,
Yeah.
can you go get the other waffles, please? Because the waffles, the other waffles, and it's a pack of sausage. So that's what my plans are for today, guys. Get ready for work because I got work. I got to be at work today at 11 o'clock a.m. Get off at 7 p.m. So that's not too bad. So I'm going to get this day over with and do what I got to do and move on. That's all I'm going to do. And try to stay strong while doing it and try to stay positive while doing it, no matter what. Again, sometimes that can be very trying. But we're going to get through that today, guys. I want to thank everybody who has supported my Crazy Big Black family. I want to thank everybody who has subscribed. Thank you so much for all the new subscribers. Welcome to my Crazy Big Black family. We appreciate you guys subscribing to our channel, and welcome to the shenanigans and the craziness in this family. We hope you appreciate it and love it. We love you guys. We thank you guys, and we hope that you guys have an amazing day today. And if you've been having a tough week or you've been having
It was really
thank you. Trying week. Just know that at the end of the day, you know, it'll work out and it'll get better, even if it seems like it's not going to. So this morning I'm making me some scrapple. Anybody, you know what scrapple is? It's like sausage, like just like smashed up, and it's like breakfast sausage. That's what I'm making this morning. And I'm gonna make me some waffles with that. Put some sausages on too. I'm making the scrapple on my my little skillet that I have that I use for everything now. I kind of just use this for everything, and I'm just putting like enough on there to in case anybody else wants some. Put some of that on. Put on some waffles. And just enjoy my day, guys. Again, please don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to share this video. And don't forget to have an amazing day today, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Have a good one. Bye.